Imagine a life where every dollar saved turns into a stepping stone towards your financial independence. What if the path was paved by simple, old-fashioned habits? In today's video, we'll uncover Graham Stephan's top frugal tips that promise to help you achieve financial freedom. Have you ever wondered how small, everyday savings can lead to massive financial gains, or why old-fashioned frugality could be your best strategy in modern times? Stick around as we break down these strategies step by step. Frugality isn't about pinching every penny, but understanding the value of money and making smarter choices that align with your financial goals. Graham Stephan, a real estate mogul and personal finance guru, champions a back-to-basics approach that has helped him and thousands of others build wealth sustainably. Today, we're diving deep into his playbook to explore practical tips that you can start applying right now. Tip number 1, the coffee rule. Stop wasting money on designer coffee. This is one of Graham Stephan's foundational tips for frugal living. While it might seem minor, the savings from brewing your coffee at home rather than splurging on expensive coffee shops can add up quickly. For example, if you spend $5 each weekday on coffee, that's about $100 to $300 a year. By investing in a good coffee maker and buying quality beans, you can reduce this expense significantly while still enjoying great coffee every day. This section will break down the costs associated with homebrewed versus store-bought coffee, demonstrate the potential yearly savings, and discuss the secondary benefits such as reduced time spent in lines and the satisfaction of mastering home coffee brewing. By adopting this simple habit, you'll not only save money, but also enhance your daily routine by transforming it into an enjoyable, self-sufficient ritual. Tip number 2, use cash, not plastic. Graham Stephan suggests using cash for daily transactions as a method to physically feel your spending, which promotes a more conscious approach to managing money. When you use cash instead of a credit or debit card, you're more likely to think twice about each purchase, simply because you can see the money leaving your hand. This tactile experience can drastically reduce impulse buying, which is often facilitated by the ease of swiping a card. In this segment, we'll explore the psychological effects of using cash over cards, including how it helps in sticking to a budget by limiting expenditures to the cash you have on hand. We'll also provide tips on how to withdraw and manage cash effectively, ensuring that viewers can implement this strategy without increasing the risk of loss or theft. By switching to cash, you not only control your spending better, but also gain deeper insights into your financial habits, fostering a more disciplined and reflective approach to personal finance. Tip number 3, the 48-hour rule. Before making any significant purchase, Graham Stephan strongly recommends implementing the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 full days before finalizing a buy to differentiate between wants and needs. This cooling off period is designed to prevent impulsive spending by allowing time for rational thought. Often, the urge to buy something diminishes after a couple of days if it's not genuinely needed. In this segment, we'll delve into how this rule helps in maintaining financial discipline and avoiding buyer's remorse. We'll share stories from individuals who have successfully integrated this rule into their shopping habits, showing how it has led to better financial decisions and savings. Additionally, practical tips on how to effectively use this rule, like setting reminders or keeping a wish list, will be provided to help viewers implement this strategy in their daily lives. Embracing this rule not only helps in saving money, but also in cultivating a more mindful approach to consumption. Tip number 4, house hacking. Graham Stephan advocates for house hacking, a strategy where you live in a multi-unit property while renting out the other units to cover or reduce your own living expenses. This approach can significantly decrease or even eliminate housing costs, which are often the largest monthly expense for individuals. In this segment, we will explore the practical steps to start house hacking, from selecting the right property to understanding the basics of being a landlord. We'll also cover the financial benefits of house hacking, such as building equity, generating passive income, and leveraging tax advantages. By adopting house hacking, viewers can take a proactive step in turning their home into an asset rather than a liability, fostering long-term financial stability and growth. Tip number 5, master meal prepping. Control your food, control your finances. Graham Stephan underscores the financial and health benefits of meal prepping, an approach that involves planning and preparing meals in advance. This strategy not only saves money by reducing the frequency and cost of eating out, but also ensures healthier dietary choices. In this section, we will demonstrate how to efficiently plan a week's worth of meals, focusing on cost-effective ingredients and simple, nutritious recipes. We'll also discuss how meal prepping can fit into a busy lifestyle, offering tips on batch cooking, proper storage, and minimizing food waste. By integrating meal prepping into your routine, you can significantly cut down on grocery bills and impulsive food purchases, all while enjoying the convenience of having meals ready whenever you need them. This habit is key to both financial savings and healthier eating habits. Tip number 6, quality over quantity. Graham Stephan promotes investing in high-quality items that may have a higher upfront cost, but are more durable and cost-effective over time. This philosophy applies to everything from electronics and appliances to clothing and furniture. In this section, we'll explore the concept of cost per use, which helps quantify the actual value of an item over its lifetime. We'll provide examples of how investing in a more expensive but better-made washing machine, for example, can save money in the long run due to fewer repairs and replacements. Additionally, we'll discuss how choosing quality over quantity can lead to a less cluttered lifestyle, reducing the impulse to constantly buy new items and thus saving money. This approach not only conserves resources but also aligns with sustainable living practices, further enhancing its appeal. Tip number 7, embracing energy efficiency. Save money by saving energy. With rising utility costs, energy efficiency has become crucial in managing household expenses. Graham Stephan advocates for simple yet effective changes, like switching to LED lighting, which uses a fraction of the energy compared to traditional bulbs. Installing programmable thermostats can reduce heating and cooling costs significantly by adjusting the temperature automatically when you're not home. Investing in energy-efficient appliances may have higher upfront costs, but the savings in utility bills over time are substantial. This segment explains the long-term financial and environmental benefits of living an energy-efficient lifestyle. Tip number 8, DIY home maintenance. Graham Stephan champions the idea of do-it-yourself, DIY, to save on expensive professional fees for home maintenance. Basic skills in home repair and upkeep can prevent minor issues from becoming major expenses. For instance, learning to unclog drains, change air filters, or even paint your walls can keep your home in top condition without breaking the bank. This section will introduce viewers to essential DIY maintenance tips and demonstrate easy-to-follow tutorials on common home repairs. By equipping yourself with these skills, you enhance your home's value and save money, proving that a little effort can lead to significant savings. Tip number 9, leveraging free resources. Utilize what's free before buying. Graham Stephan underscores the value of tapping into the multitude of free resources available that can replace more expensive alternatives. Libraries offer free access to books, magazines, and digital media, which can substitute for costly subscriptions. Community centers and online platforms provide free or low-cost workshops and classes for personal and professional development. This part of the video will explore how to make the most out of these resources, showcasing real-life examples of individuals who have enhanced their skills and entertainment options without spending a fortune, thus maximizing their economic and intellectual potential. Tip number 10, financial literacy as a lifelong investment. Understanding money management and investing in your financial education can yield the greatest returns. Graham Stephan believes that financial literacy is foundational to achieving and maintaining wealth. This section will delve into the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit scores. It will also highlight accessible resources for learning these skills, such as online courses, financial podcasts, and community college classes, many of which are available for free or at a low cost. By empowering yourself with financial knowledge, you set the stage for informed decisions that foster a secure financial future, demonstrating that education in finance is an investment in itself. Each of these strategies from Graham Stephan's financial advice arsenal is designed not just to save money, but to enhance your overall quality of life. They teach discipline, resourcefulness, and the importance of investing in oneself. Whether it's through reducing energy consumption, handling home repairs, maximizing free resources, or improving financial literacy, these habits pave the way to a sustainable and financially independent future. Adopting even a few of these practices can have profound effects on your financial health and personal well-being. Start your journey to financial freedom today by implementing these practical, frugal strategies. Like this video to support our content, subscribe for more insightful financial guidance, and comment below with your experiences or additional tips. Let's build a thriving community of financially savvy individuals together.